Forces is like something pushing against pushing or pulling against another object. For example, as you see these two arrows in the box, there are two arrows. One arrow is bigger than the other. The bigger arrow signifies as a stronger force than the green arrow as in this weaker force, as it's smaller. As they both push against the object, the object will move to the other, the side that the bigger force is pushing rather than the smaller force. There are multiple forces such as buoyant force and gravitational force. Gravitational force occurs when something falls to the ground and gravity pulls us down. Buoyant force occurs when something is dropped into water or different liquid, and if the object is lighter than the